Welcome to Learning New Words with the Link. Today we're going to learn about the x sound. There aren't many words that start with the sound x, so we're going to learn about words that have the x sound at the end. In the top left-hand corner is a picture of a man fixing a bicycle. Do you like to fix things when they're broken? And can you hear the x at the end of the word fix? To the right of that is a picture of a beautiful little fox. Can you hear the x at the end of the word fox? Then there's a picture of an axe. We use an axe to chop wood. Can you hear the x at the end of the word axe? Then there's a picture of a little dog inside a box. Can you hear the x at the end of the word box? In the bottom left-hand corner is a picture of a lady mixing some raisins into her mixture. When you bake, you mix together all your ingredients, your flour and your egg and your butter. Can you hear the x at the end of the word mix? Then, in the bottom right-hand corner is the number 6. Can you hear the x at the end of the word 6?